The first thing that I will start with is measuring length. We have a unit in the geometry and it's called measuring. So we have a unit, a whole unit is speaking about the measuring, and the first lesson that we explained in the YouTube was measuring lengths. Okay, when we want to measure something small like a pen, or when we want to measure the length of the class, or when we want to measure the distance between two cities, will we use the same unit of length? Of course no, because if you look here, the pen is a small thing and the length of the class is a little bit longer, and the distance between two cities, it's longest than the others two. So the pen, I will use something called centimeter, and we can use it like cm. We can write cm instead of writing centimeter, and this unit for the small things like pen, a paper, or anything tiny like small thing. Okay, and we will move to the length of the class, a little bit longer, or the length of our home or our room. We will use meter, and we can write it letter M. And the distance between two cities, we will use a longest unit, and it's called kilometer. And this is the biggest unit that we will use it this term, and we can write it km. So cm for the small things, and it's called centimeter. For the longer length, meter, we're using meter and we write it m. And for the distance between two cities, or the distance for the city, we will use kilometer. And we have a relation between the three units. The first thing here, the kilometer equals how many meters? It's 1000. So the 1 kilometer equals 1000 meter. So to change from kilometer to a meter, we multiply by 100. 1000. How? Or how the question will come? I will write it for you like this. If I have 2 kilometer equals how many meters? What will I do? It's 2. So I will multiply it by 1000. So 2 multiply 1000 equals 2000. If I have 15 kilometer equals how many meters? The same thing, I will multiply it by 1000, because we have the relation here, the 1 kilometer equals 1000 meter. So from kilometer to meter, we use 1000. So 15 multiply 1000, how can we do it? We have 3 zeros, so I will put them. Then 15 times 1 equals 15. So the answer is 15,000. Okay, anyone can't understand this part? Again, we have a unit and it's called kilometer, and this kilometer equals 1000 meter. So each 1 kilometer has 1000 meter. So what about 2 kilometers? It will be 2000. 3 kilometers equals 3000. 4 kilometers equals 4000, and so on. So if we have any number like here, 5 kilometer equals how many meters? We said a relation here. From kilometer to meter, we multiply by 1000. Whatever the number that we have, multiply it by 1000. So 5 multiply 1000. How can we do it? 5 multiply 1000. We have 3 zeros, so I put them. Then 5 times 1 equals 5. So the answer is 5000. Another one. 20 kilometer equals how many meters? The relation between kilometer and meter multiplying by 1000. So from kilometer to meter, multiply 1000. Count the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I put 4 zeros. Then 2 times 1 equals 2. So the answer is 20,000. Can't understand at the beginning. Do you understand now?
Yes. Yes. It's
Okay.
very easy.
So can I move to the other part?
Yes.
I will put some questions here, and the one who will answer, raise hand from your computer or your phone, okay? And I will see it. 7 kilometer equals meters. And 3 kilometer equals meter. 16 kilometer equals meter. 3 questions. Who's gonna answer the first one? Okay, Muhammad. How many?
7,000.
7,000. Why? Because we multiplied by 1000, and 7 multiplied 1000 equals 7,000. Thank you, Muhammad. Kareem?
3,000.
3,000. When we multiply it by 1000, it will give me 3,000. Lama? I'm sorry, I wrote extra.
16,000.
16,000. Extra. Okay, I will move to the other questions. The other part in the same kilometer and meter. If we have here from meter to kilometer, what will I do? If I have here like 5,000 meter equals how many kilometer? If you look at the 3 examples that we wrote it here, it was from kilometer to meter. From kilometer to meter, we multiply by 1000. What about the opposite? If it's from meter to kilometer, 5,000 meter equals how many kilometer? We will erase 3 zeros, and erasing 3 zeros means divide. We make the opposite again. From kilometer to meter, multiply. From big unit to small unit, we multiply. What about the opposite? From small to big, divide. 1,000, the same number. The relation between kilometer and meter is 1,000. So of course we will use the 1,000. But this time from meter to kilometer, so we will divide by 1,000. But how can we make it erasing zeros? A 0 with a 0. Another one with another one. And the last one was the last one. So what is the rest here? It's 5. So the answer is 5. Another example. 7,000 meter equals how many kilometers? It's from meter to kilometer. So divide from small to big, divide. So I will divide by 1,000. 0 with 0. 0 with 0, and the last one was the last one. What is the rest? 7. So the answer is 7. Okay, anyone can't understand this part?
No.
Okay.
I understand.
Is it easy, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, I will put a question,
Yes.
and I will choose one to answer it.
Small.
Okay.
12.
12. Yes, it is 12. Why? Because if we divide by 1,000, we will erase zeros together. A 0 with 0, a 0 with 0, and a 0 with 0. And we still have 12. So the answer is 12. Great, Malak. Okay, I will move to the other part. Okay, I will move to this question and then I will move to the meter. Here, if we have 5,200 meter equals how many kilometer plus how many meters? Okay, from kilometer to meter or from meter to kilometer, the relation is 1,000. So we will search about the thousand place. This is 5,200. So the numbers that I read it
Yes, I know.
okay, I will explain it to the other if you know it. The numbers that I read it as 1,000, this is the kilometer. So 5,000. So this is the kilometer. It's 5. The rest of the number is meter. 200. So it will be 200 meters.
So,
Another one. 25,325 meter equals how many kilometer plus how many meters? The part that I read it as 1,000, this is the kilometer. 25,000. So it's kilometer. So 25. 325, this part for meter. Understand it?
yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So we said from kilometer to meter, the relation is 1,000. What about from the meter to the centimeter? Because we have, you know, that we have kilometer and meter and centimeter. We take the relation between kilometer and meter. So of course we have a relation between meter and centimeter. You take it in grade 2 that 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. So if you want to change from meter to centimeter, from big to small, multiply 100. From small to big, divide 100. Because the relation is 100 from meter to centimeter. So if we write here a relation from kilometer to meter, multiply 1,000. But from meter to centimeter, multiply 100. So if we have 2 meters equals how many centimeter? From meter to centimeter, multiply 100. From big to small, because the meter for the bigger things and the centimeter for the small things. From big to small, multiply 100. 2 multiply 100 equals what? 200. If we have 20 meter equals how many centimeter? From meter to centimeter, multiply what? 100. So 20 multiply 100, count the zeros. 1, 2, 3. So here it is 1, 2, 3. Then 2 times 1 equals 2. So the answer is 2,000. The opposite, like the kilometer, if we have 500 centimeter equals how many meter? Concentrate. Is it from the big to small or small to big? It's from centimeter to meter, small to big. That's mean divide. Divide what? 100. So divide mean erase zeros. A 0 with a 0 and a 0 with a 0. So what we still have? 5 divide 1 equals 5. Again, it's like the kilometer. In the kilometer we said When we change from kilometer to meter, multiply. So here, from big to small, multiply. It's the same. When we move from meter to centimeter, it's from big to small. That's mean multiply. But this time the relation is 100. So when you change from meter to centimeter, multiply 100. Example here, 6 meters equals how many centimeter? You have to concentrate. You're moving from small to big or big to small. It's meter to centimeter. The meter is bigger than the centimeter, so it's from big to small. From big to small, multiply. Multiply what the relation said, it's 100, so I will multiply by 100. 6 times 100 equals 600. The opposite. If we have 700 centimeter equals how many meter? I said concentrate. You're moving from small to big or big to small. Centimeter to meter, it's from small to big. That's mean divide. And divide how many? We said the relation between meter and centimeter is 100, so divide 100. Start erasing the zeros. A 0 with a 0, another 0 with another 0. So we still have 7 divide 1, so it equals 7. Do you understand now?
Yes. I want to ask something.
Okay, yes, Layla?
If it's 7,000, we will write 70?
Yes, because we erased only 2 zeros. If it's like you said, if it's 7,000 centimeter equals how many meters? You divide by 100. That's mean you will erase a 0, 0 and 0 with 0. So you still have what? 70. So the answer is 70. So it's according to each question.
Okay.
Farida, have you finished?
Yeah.
Okay, I will move to the next part. Moving to the next part. Muhammad?
5,000.
5,000. Layla?
600.
600. Yes, you concentrate from meter to centimeter. It's 600. Yes.
6 in kilometer.
Yes, 6 in the kilometer because you use the 1,000 as a kilometer. And how many meters? It's meter, I'm sorry.
526.
Yes, 526 in the meter. Okay. Noor Shahab, are you here?
Yeah.
Okay, 17 kilometers equals how many meters? From kilometer to a meter. Multiply what?
70,000.
Yes, 17 yes, 17,000 because you multiply by 1,000. Lama?
2,100.
Yes, 2,100 because it's from meter to centimeter. That's mean multiply by 100. Okay, the next question, who's gonna answer it? Is it Ghina?
Yes.
Okay, Ghina?
Yes.
It's
Now I have the mic.
Okay, I opened it. Yes, Ghina, it will be what? It's from meter to kilometer. So it equals what, Ghina?
Do divide?
Yes, divide. Divide what? It's from meter to kilometer. So divide 100 or 1000?
1,000.
Yes, 1000. That's mean you erase 3 zeros together. So when you erase 3 zeros together, what will you have?
51.
51. Okay, Hala? Okay, we will complete. Is Hala here? Hala?
Yeah, she joined.
Okay, yes, Hala, you can answer the question. You can complete the question.
Miss, we was number the last one, right?
No, we still here. We didn't finish this one. We didn't finish the 2000. This is not the last answer. Okay, Farida, can you complete this answer? It's 2000 centimeter equals how many meters? So from centimeter to meter, will divide or multiply? Okay, guys,
Divide.
who want yes divide? Divide what?
We divide 100.
Yes, divide 100. So we're erasing zeros together. A 0 with a 0 and another 0 with another 0. So what is the rest?
20.
20. So it's not 2, it's 20. So you have to concentrate how many zeros that you erased.
Okay.
Okay, I will move to the next question. Who's gonna answer it? Esther, are you here?
Yes.
Do you want to answer it?
Yes.
Okay, answer it, Esther. 13,213 kilometer equals how many kilometers plus how many meters? How many kilometers, Esther? 13 kilometer, okay. And how many meters?
10 kilometers.
Uh-huh.
That's 213 kilometers.
No, it's meter. 213 meters. It's 13 kilometers and 213 meters. Okay, guys, you understand?
Yes.
Okay, I will move to the next part. Measuring. Wait. Okay. We have for this year 2 units of weight. The first one for the light things and the other one for the bigger things. For the light things like a pen or a book or a notebook or something light or the jewelry, we can use gram. So gram is for the light things, for the small things. Like a pen, a paper, or jewelry like ring or necklace or anything like this. And we can write it like GM. And we have the other unit is kilogram. And the kilogram for the greater things like the food. When we go to buy some food, vegetables or fruits, we can say to the man that we buy from him, give me 1 kilogram of potatoes or give me 1 kilogram of cucumber or something like this. So when we buy food, we can say it's with kilogram and we can write it like kg. And this is for the bigger things, not something heavy, so heavy, no. It's something medium like the food. So we have 2 units until now, gram and kilogram. Okay, what is the relation between kilogram and gram? The 1 kilogram equals 1000 gram. So 1 kilogram equals 1000 gram. Okay, so here it is again. 1 kilogram equals 1000 gram. That's mean to change from kilogram to gram, we multiply by 1000. Why multiply? Because it's from kilogram to gram, from big to small. What about the opposite? It's divide. 1000. From gram to kilogram, divide 1000 because it's from small to big. So if I have here 2 kilograms equals how many gram? Like we make in the kilometer and meter. It's from big to small, from kilogram to gram. That's mean I will multiply by 1000. 2 multiply 1000 equals 2000. What about the opposite? If we have 3000 gram equals how many kilograms? From small to big. That's mean I will divide. And divide by what? It's 1000. So 3000 divide 1000. 0 with 0, a 0 with 0, and another 0 with a 0. So still have 3. To start writing some questions, then I will choose anyone to answer it. Layla, 5 kilograms equals how many grams?
5,000.
5,000. Why? Because we multiply by 1000. So it's 5,000. Yes, Lama?
3.
3,000 gram equals how many kilograms? From small to big, divide 1000. So 0 is 0, 0 is 0, and a 0 is a 0. So equals 3. Okay, the next one who's answering? Hala? Yes, Hala?
17 kilogram
Equals? Yes, Hala?
17,000.
17,000. Yes, Kareem?
21.
21. Why? Because it's from gram to kilogram, so that's mean from small to big. So divide 3 zeros with 3 zeros, so 21. Karma? From
Divide.
gram? Yes, divide. So how many zeros that you will erase, Karma?
3.
3. So here it is 1, 2, 3 with 1, 2, 3. So what you have?
50.
50. Excellent, Karma. Okay, who's gonna answer the next one? Okay, Layla? 6,157 gram equals how many kilograms and how many gram? How many kilograms? 6. Because we're using the 1000 for the kilogram. And I will say to you why. Because the relation between gram and kilogram is 1000. That's mean the 1000 place for the kilogram. Okay, and how many grams, Layla?
157.
Yes, it's 157. Muhammad?
23.
23 for kilogram.
Yeah. 568 for gram.
Yes, excellent, Muhammad. Kilograms. Yes, Noor? Noor, you're closing the voice. Yes, Noor? 50?
15.
Yes, it's 15. Because from gram to kilogram, we are dividing by 1,000ths. That's mean erasing 3 zeros together. Okay. Guys, anyone can't understand this?
No.
Okay. Okay. I will speak quickly about something that we put it in the handouts and in the sheet if you find it. And it was measuring temperature. I know that we didn't explain it in a video, but because it was easy thing. Okay. So when we getting sick and we want to go to the doctor, he start to measure our temperature to know if we are sick or no. And sometimes he say to you, you have a temperature, and that's mean your temperature is high. You have a heat. So that's mean you're not normal. Okay, so what he's using for measuring temperature? Who know? Who know what we
Thermometer.
use? Yes, it's thermometer. So we are using thermometer for measuring temperature. Okay, and we're using a unit to measure the temperature like the meter and the centimeter and so on, and it's called degrees Celsius. And we can write it like this: a C and over it small circle, degree Celsius. So we can say 3 degrees Celsius, 5 degrees Celsius, or 37 degrees Celsius, or 100 degrees Celsius. We can say 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, if our temperature in the news and they say that the temperature today is 30 degrees Celsius, is it hot or cold?
Hot.
Yes,
Hot.
it's hot. Yeah, because this temperature in the summer. So if it's like 30, 25 and something like this, that's mean it's hot. What about if it's 10?
Cold.
It's cold. Or sometimes when you outside of Egypt, you heard -5 or -3. That's mean we are freezing. Okay, so these are the temperature, and we have important temperatures that we have to know. When the water becomes cold, what is the freezing point of the water? It's 0. So 0 is the freezing point of water. The freezing point of water. That's when the water becomes ice. When it becomes 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, what about our normal temperature for the body, for the human beings? What is the normal temperature for the people? It's 37. This is the normal temperature for our bodies to be good. If we are less than 37 or greater than 37, that's mean we are sick. So the normal temperature for our bodies is 37. Okay, we take the freezing point of water. What about the boiling point? When the water boils on the fire. Huh. Who knows? No one know? Okay, I will say it. It's 100. The boiling point of water is 100. This is the boiling point. So until now, do we have anything hard?
No.
Okay.
No.
So I will end the session for today, and we hope to meet again. And thank you so much, Grade 3, for joining the session and participating in the session. Thank you so much. Farida, you're raising hand? Okay, anyone want to say something before we leave?
No.
No.
I will say bye.
Bye, Muhammad.
Bye.
Thank you, Karim.
Bye.
Thank you, guys. Thanks for all of you. I will end the meeting now. Thank you.